That's my first cast of the year. Starting to get light. Mike's over there, there's Marty. And Marty's just pulled in his second cod of the morning. What sort of size? Go on, Marty! Hello! That's a big ass whiting. Nah, that's a decent whiting. I'll enjoy eating him. Very nice. And another one. Hey? Look at that, they taste fantastic. That's my biggest whiting of the year. Ah, that's a better fish. That's a cod. Ah, yes. Hey! That's the first cod of the year. Have the first cod of the year. About £3 or so, I'd say. Fantastic. Is the whelk sizable? No. I'm afraid I'm out of vinegar. Actually, keep it. I'll do a 10-minute video on the bastard. Alright, mate. Thank you, fella. Yeah, fish on. Cod. Lovely. That can go home with you, Mike. Unless you get one, of course. Cod. Ah, yeah. Oh, it's a good one as well, by the feel of it. Lovely. Look at that. Prime Norfolk codling. Beautiful. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, hang on, I've got the fish. I better go. Oh, I'll speak to you later anyway. I'll see you in about an hour. Yes, that's the fourth cod of the morning. Lovely. In. That's what I call a cracking morning out. Give us a smile then, Marty.
Oh, yes,
well, that looks like a happy new year to me. Brilliant stuff.
Well, there you go. I reckon that the year has started better than it ended. Same place we were a couple of days ago. Now 2nd of January, 31st of December, we had a shitter of a day. But I reckon we made up for it today. I've been 4 codling, a couple of nice bites. Brilliant. Happy New Year.
So that's what did it, Mike. My lucky hat. Now that hat I've had for 20 years.